Mini PaveKit. Portable,
Practical,
innovative,
sustainable.
educational.
My name is Dr. Wan Nurhin binti Norsani. I'm from Civil Engineering Department, Polytechnic Sultan Mizan Zainal Abidin, Dungun, Terengganu.
My name is Ramadan Shah Putrajaya. Currently, I'm Associate Professor at Faculty of Civil Engineering Technology, University Malaysia Pahang Al Sultan Abdullah, Malaysia.
My name is Muhammad Rizal bin Khatib from Civil Engineering Department, Polytechnic Sultan Mizan Zainal Abidin, Dungun, Terengganu.
My name is Nurdina binti Azmi. I'm from Civil Engineering Department, Polytechnic Sultan Mizan Zainal Abidin, Dungun, Terengganu.
My name is Rosalina binti Abi Rashid. I'm from Civil Engineering Department, Polytechnic Sultan Haji Ahmad Shah, Kuantan, Pahang.
What is this?
This is Mini PaveKit, a portable, all-in-one design for hands-on learning of asphalt mixture preparation on classroom.
Why you innovate this product?
Students must wait for a long time for highway laboratory session. The second one, limited equipment and time passive learning. Third one is weak understanding of asphalt mixture preparation. And the last one is limited exposure of green technology.
Can't you explain material inside the Mini PaveKit?
Yes, the material inside include aggregate. Second one is asphalt 60-70. The third one is waste material use. The fourth one is induction stuff. Next is mold. And then safety tools inside this and other equipment.
Can't you explain what is MSDS?
Sure. MSDS stands for Material Safety Data Sheet for Bitumen. This is bitumen, asphalt. Okay, it has several content. The first one is the compositions of this asphalt. And then we have hazard identification, first aid measures, then handling and storage, disposal, consideration, personal protection, and other information in the MSDS. Next, we go for the procedure demonstration during class.
First, we explain the materials and their functions. Aggregates are prepared and treated according to. Then, waste materials such as POFA, garnet waste, and sawdust are added. The mixture is then thoroughly mixed. The temperature is controlled between 145 to 155 degrees Celsius. Finally, the sample is compacted using a tamper. Students are actively involved in every step of the process. This improves their understanding, engagement, and confidence.
The novelty of this Mini PaveKit is portable, all-in-one asphalt learning kits for classroom use, and it combines real materials, mini equipment, and sustainable additives. It brings laboratory experience into the classroom.
What is the findings of this product?
The findings show that learning performance improvement up to 70%. The student respond 100% for the preferred Mini PaveKit rather than conventional learning. And lecturer evaluation for teaching effectiveness is 5-star rating.
What SDGs support this product?
There are 3 SDGs support this product. That is SDG 4, quality education, SDG 9, industry, innovation and infrastructure, and SDG 13, climate action. It also involves technology readiness level, that is TRL 6. That means this Mini PaveKit had been demonstrated in the classroom.
How much do you want to sell this product and their market for this product?
The cost for this Mini PaveKit is 600 and we will sell it for RM 1,200. The margin profit is 50% and the marketability is to all lecturers of polytechnic, universities, vocational college, CIDB, JKR and also training centers.
Can you summarize this product?
As a conclusion, Mini PaveKit is a transformative innovation that makes asphalt mixture learning more practical, engaging and effective. We have registered our My IPO. There are 2 publications for this innovation.
We collaborate this product with Polytechnic Sultan Mizan Zainal Abidin, Dungun, Terengganu, Polytechnic Sultan Haji Ahmad Shah, Kuantan, Pahang, and University Malaysia Pahang Al Sultan Abdullah UMPSA Pahang.
This is the Certificate of Appreciation from UMPSA and JKA PSMZE. That's all. Thank you.
Bringing the laboratory into the classroom.
Mini PaveKit, portable interactive learning tool for hybrid asphalt mixture.